Oh, well, how's it going tonight there, YouTube? Well, it's getting a little bit dark and late to be getting the video going here because we're losing sunlight quick, but I want to show you guys what I kind of got up to this afternoon here. I'm painting a little project here. You guys might see I'm working on a red tractor. That's right, a red tractor. I also kind of wanted to announce too, I've got some parts ordered from Dakota Toys. I've got another project coming as well, so I think you guys will really like this one too, but I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag too much. Is it a green tractor though? You know, green and red, green and red. I try to alternate between the two, but I'm not going to let you guys know what it is, but I think a lot of you guys will quite enjoy this upcoming project. It is a newer tractor, of course, but I kind of got to thinking. I've been on Dakota Toys site quite a bit lately, and obviously if any of you guys have dealt with Dakota Toys, they've got castings and wheels and tabs and this and that, so you can kind of mix-match your parts. In fact, when I kind of tallied up what I wanted, it was almost cheaper to buy all the parts than it was to buy it brand new in the box from Ertl. Plus I was getting what I wanted, so yeah, so I kind of got a neat little, I guess, rebuild custom coming up for you guys, and hopefully that'll be here by the end of next week. And I did not get an auger for the combine, but I did get the tires and a couple of rivets and what. I just ordered a rivet assortment because I figured I'm gonna need it anyway for what I want to do. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. Alright, well, I guess I just better come out and tell you. Some of you sharp-eyed tractor collectors out there will realize that is actually just a John Deere 7800 casting wearing Farmall red. Yes, I figured I'd get some of you guys excited and paint up a Ertl mistake version, we'll call it. It's an Ertl mistake version, not Kurt mistake version, Ertl mistake version. I mean, maybe you guys thinking I'm inhaling too many paint fumes or something and I got my colors mixed up. But, you know, in all fairness, I am colorblind to red and green, so we'll call it a rare Ertl mistake version. The reason why I decided to do this is I seen on the forum, a forum, well, I don't remember if it was a Toy Tractor Times or what it was. There was a John Deere 4020 painted up in Case IH colors. And on the flip side, I seen another picture, I think it was on one of the Facebook groups, there's a International 1086 painted up in Deere colors. But don't worry, I'll paint up a red Farmall and John Deere colors too one of these days when I get another one. And the cabinet does happen to have a spare 7800 casting sitting in the back room there, so I figured I'd just, you know, stir the pot a little bit, if you will. But, hey, gotta have some fun once in a while. So there's this rare Ertl mistake version John Deere 7800. Not sure how I feel about red paint and John Deere tractor myself, but I guess it's makes things interesting, I guess. You know, with the paint dry, I'm gonna add actually a few more details to it, I think, just for the fun of it. But don't worry, I'll do up an IH and John Deere colors just to, you know, keep things even and whatnot. I just thought I'd do that for a Sunday afternoon, little stir the pot, I guess. And guys, like to see, please comment, rate, subscribe, and hope I didn't give too much away on my next project either. So we'll see you on the next one.